Hey guys, it's Chris. Hope you're doing well. Just want to make a quick video to explain to you guys something that's going on right now with our sales. Our sales are down a little bit in terms of the install. Of course, our warranty sales are down, but that's a topic for another discussion. We'll get to that. I just wanted to let you guys know that one of the things that determines whether or not we can, get the chat agents for FlexiSpy to be confident with and to sell the install service for their product is to know whether or not phones are rooted. So one of the things I'd like to ask you to do is when you're filling out the completed form, if you could please make sure that, let's see, let me pull this up real quick. Stag.com. Okay. So when you come into the completed form, you put your name, put the install ID, and I just want to cover this real quick. If it's a new warranty, obviously use the word new. If they've purchased a warranty already, then you use the word used. If they're actually using their warranty, then it would be a warranty claim. So the device serial number goes here. Make sure you ask them if they are sure they don't want a warranty, if they had already said no. This is important. Make sure you choose whether what the root status is or jailbreak status. The app mode is super important. Make sure you get that right. The service type. But right here, at least when it comes to the purposes of tracking which devices get which mode and which ones are rootable, things like that, make sure, if it's a Samsung, put Samsung. Don't put Samsung in all lowercase, don't put it all uppercase. Just try to be consistent, because that's how our data gets organized. At the current moment, can't differentiate between different types of data. So if you do, let's say a Galaxy S6, you might put GS6, you might put Galaxy 6, you might put Galaxy S6, but the proper term for that phone is Galaxy S6. So always put the same thing, because that way it'll be much easier for us to get that data put together and automate the organization of that data, so that FlexiSpy's sales technicians can be confident in selling our service to the customers. And make sure, with the Android version, don't put 5, don't put 4, put 5.0 or 5.1.1. Be consistent. The device model number, if it's a SM 919, make sure there's a dash there. If it's a SM, I don't know, N9000, I guess that would be GT N9000. Make sure that the dash is there and you've got the GT or the SM prefix correct and it's in all caps. The build number, we really only need the last 3 in most cases. So like Samsung is going to always be like OF6 or JF9 or whatever the last 3 of the build number is. So with Samsungs, you only have to worry about that. With some of the other ones like Sony and LG, you may need to just go ahead and include the whole thing. I've seen a lot of you guys putting a build number like, let's see, I went through and fixed a few of these, but I think these are all good. But like this here, this build number, that's actually the build of the Android version. That is not relevant to us because we know that just by knowing the Android version itself, the numbers. So this, that type of build number is not relevant. So like I was saying, Like with Motorola, you'll see things like this a lot of times: 3 letters, a dash, and then a number, dot, another number. That's pretty much the format for Motorola. But like you can see here, formatting that. I'm not even sure if that's correct, but that's what was there, so hopefully that was right. And this one down here, Sony, that's pretty much how the Sonys come. You know, the bunch of little numbers and letters and dots in there, that's fine. This one here, that once again, this is a Android build number, so that's irrelevant because we need the actual build number, not the Android build number. I mean, if you don't have it, if for some reason it's not showing, that's fine, but just try to remember that we need the Android build number, or rather, not the Android build number, but the manufacturer's build number, how they designate what the build number is what the version is. Like, and then here, same situation, you've got messed up data, so just be careful how you're putting things in. This data gets automatically stored in a sheet that FlexiSpy's agents will be able to see, and this is how they can determine whether or not, and then here you go, just 5, it should be 5.0. This should be Galaxy S5. So yeah, just stay consistent, and we're doing a great job, so just keep on doing a great job, and make sure you are filling out the completed forms and selling those warranties. Alright guys,